Style wise, which is very important, this bag goes with everything. It's a very compact, small, cutie backpack, but it fits a lot. It is very spacious inside. All Zouk bags has this water resistant lining inside, so even when you get caught in the rain, your bag stays safe. Nothing inside it gets wet. Hi guys, so welcome to my channel Beauty Made Easy. I'm Deepthi and I make videos on DIY skincare, hair care and also review beauty products. So today's video is little different from what I usually do. Today I'm gonna review the Zouk backpack. I've been seeing a lot of people carry Zouk's sling bags, handbags and laptop bags in public places. I could see beautiful girls carrying beautiful Zouk bags at metro stations, on the trains, on the road and everywhere. But girls, you are missing out on these beautiful backpacks from Zouk. They are so beautiful, so Indian, ethnic and goes well with all kind of dress. So let's see if it's worth the eye. The first thing that caught my eye was of course the beautiful ethnic mandala print. It gives that boho Indian vibes. Such a nice touch of culture and color that goes with every outfit. When I bought this, I thought this would go well with like jeans and a tee and that's it, but when I paired it up with my skirts, Indian ethnic skirts, it looked even more beautiful. So now let's talk about the material. This mini backpack is made up of jute material as usual. The print is jute in front and the other these things are made up of PU leather, which is fake leather. In terms of size, this might look slightly bigger on camera, but it's a very compact, small, cutie backpack, but it fits a lot. It is very spacious inside and it fits a change of clothes, your 1 liter water bottle, an umbrella, a diary, books to read and everything. It has one main compartment with a zipper closure. Inside the zipper, you will find 2 pockets. One zipper pocket for things like your wallet, phone and a slip pocket for quick access items like lip balm or tissues. There is also an external back pocket which I find super useful for keeping things like travel card or sanitizer. The adjustable straps are really comfortable and makes it easy to carry even for long hours. So overall it has 3 zippers, 2 internal pockets and 1 main compartment, making it perfect for keeping everything organized without getting messy inside. Style wise, which is very important, this bag goes with everything. As I said in the beginning, when I bought, I thought this would go only with the jeans and a tee, but then I paired it up with an Indian skirt and a top. It looked so very beautiful, which means it goes with all Western and Indian wear. All Zouk bags has this water resistant lining inside, so even when you get caught in the rain, your bag stays safe. Nothing inside it gets wet. Do give this bag a try and I'm sure you guys are gonna love it. It is super comfortable, not put so much of pressure on my shoulder. It is soft over here. The size is compact and cute, fits everything. After I got this Zouk backpack, I never went back to my handbags and sling bags because it is super comfortable, looks super cute, chic and stylish. Goes well with every kind of outfit and what more do you guys want? It looks super cute. I've linked the bag in this video. Do click on this link somewhere that appears on the screen and you will get the link to buy it and use it and see and let me know how it works for you. If you find this video useful, then do share it with your friends who are into these cute accessories and stuffs because they're also gonna love this one. So until next time, take care.